We cover IBM's Superchip, Tencent gets pressed, Spain takes the gig out of the economy, eBay's bid on NFTs, and we can now 3D print wood. These are the top 5 stories in tech this week, thanks to our sponsor Lead Express, guaranteeing ROI for your next B2B campaign.
5.
Could IBM, the brand that nobody got fired for hiring in 1985, be making a comeback? They unveiled the world's first chip on 2 nanometer technology. Now, in a nutshell, the nanometers represent the distance between transistors on a chip. The less distance between transistors, the more density, performance, and power efficiency. This means devices like earphones, watches, AR glasses, autonomous vehicles, drones, even brain chips become way more efficient. Now, to put this into perspective, at present, Apple's kick-ass M1 chip is 5 nanometers.
I didn't think IBM was that far off being considered a retro brand. This is seriously advanced tech at the very pointy end of Moore's Law.
4.
Tencent is looking to keep its 40% stake in both Fortnite developer Epic Games and League of Legends developer Riot Games, after the US government keeps pressing on the Chinese company's obligation to share personal information with their government, and exactly the what, where, how the data will be treated. Tencent's portfolio includes a 44% holding in Snap, 8.7% share of Spotify, and a 5% slice of Afterpay. Now, despite the benefits of having Tencent on your team, the political risk must keep these companies up at night.
3.
Spain has made the first bold move, passing new rules requiring gig economy workers for delivery startups like Glovo to be made employees. This sets a precedent for other countries grappling with labour models for the gig economy. Uber, Deliveroo, Delivery Hut and DoorDash are just some of the companies exposed to the risk, which would inevitably send shockwaves through their business models and stock price. It's long overdue for the industry, with the deck being stacked against riders and drivers from the start.
2.
Desktop Metal is now printing wood. The company's new forest process upcycles timber and paper waste to 3D print everything from furniture to flower pots. With 15 billion trees harvested each year and 84 million tonnes of sawdust generated, it's easy to see the impact these innovative solutions can have. Throw in lab-grown wood being developed by MIT and we can start seeing a major impact on the environment.
1.
eBay came good on its promise, allowing NFTs to go up for auction. According to an update from the company, they want to continue being the destination for collectors of all kind, physical or digital, and are therefore updating their policy to include the sale of NFTs. Now, in the short term, NFT inventory will be provided by trusted sellers across categories like trading cards, music, entertainment, and art, powered by a suite of tools to be rolled out in coming months. And that's a wrap for this week. Big thanks to Granite Bay Capital for their insights. Subscribe to their Substack for more on any of these stories. And Lead Express, who can guarantee the results for your next B2B campaign. Click that link below to find out what ROI you can lock in for 2021. My name is Tommy McCubbin and you can find me at futuresandwich.com. And now you can also catch these updates on Future Sandwich Podcast. Subscribe wherever you get your pods. This has been Future Sandwich News. We'll see you next week.